Hello students, welcome to Global International High School and Junior College. Today will be start conjunction. Conjunction are words which join together words or sentences. Connected words, phrases, clauses or sentences. Also known as a joining words. It also indicates the relationship between the two elements it connected. For example, I finished my homework and then I went out to play. And the words and, but, or are conjunctions as they act as connecting words. Kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, for, and, nor, but, or, at, so. FANBOYS shortcut fanboys. The easy way to remember name of conjunction. This is fanboy, called as coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions always come between the words or phrases or clauses that they join. For, used like because, present reason. For example, we look out the umbrella from the loft for it is rainy season now. It is rainy season now, reason. And used to show addition, present ideas that are similar. For example, my brother wants to be a right and a scientist and right scientist. Nor, used to say not, present a negative ideas with another, join two sentences having the adverb not. For example, my father does not get angry at me, nor does my mother. It is negative ideas. But shows a contrast, presents ideas that are opposite. For example, we want to the theater but we called not get ticket for the movies. Or so an options, presents are alternative idea or choice. For example, we there on time or you will miss the bus. Time or you. This is choices. At, present on outcome or contrast. Example, I was upset with my brother as I helped him with the project. Show, present a consequence or result. For example, I had not done my homework, so I apologized to my teacher. Second, subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions are conjunctions which join a main clauses to one or more dependent clauses. For example, we carried our raincoat it was cloudy. Here we can see two independent sentences. First and second. Independent, we carried our raincoats. It was cloudy. Two independent sentences. We carried our raincoats since it was cloudy. Look at this since. Since it is present subordinating conjunction. Since it was cloudy. It is dependent sentences. A subordinating conjunctions brings a dependent clauses and connect into the independent clauses. A dependent clause has a subject and its own predicate, but it depends on the independent clauses for its complete meaning. List of subordinating conjunction: when, where, which, that, how, though, unless, as, since, because, so, that, until. Subordinating conjunctions. For example, he responded when the time was right. This is an example which you should follow. Though he was upset, he did not make it obvious.